Changing your username on Zelle is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your username easily. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Look for the Settings icon, usually represented by gear or 3 dots. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Account Information. In the Settings menu, find and select the option labeled Account Information or Profile. This section contains your personal details, including your username. Step 4. Edit Username. Locate the field for your username. Tap on it to edit and enter your desired new username. Make sure it meets any specified requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new username, look for a Save or Confirm button. Tap it to save your changes, and you should receive a confirmation that your username has been updated. Once you've completed these steps, your username on Zelle will be changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Zelle's customer support for assistance.